Ngayon po ay ating inaaliyahan ang ating mahal na Pangulo kasama sina Agriculture Secretary Francisco Chu Laurel Jr. at Governor Dr. Helen Tan para sa unveiling ng bagong Filipino Food Month o FFM logo. Ready, Mr. President? At the count of 3. 1, 2, 3! At iyan po, mga kababayan, ang bagong FFM logo. The new FFM logo embodies the rich agricultural and culinary heritage of the country. With colors inspired by the national flag, the logo symbolizes unity, pride, and resilience in preserving and promoting